Hi guys, we are here today to tell you about our new feature analytics reports. Basically, you just need to go to your club, select the club, go into analytics reports. It's right on championships, okay? And now you enter the report builder. You just need to choose your championship, sailing class, and race, and we'll provide from the track boats which are available to create a report. This is a test event that as tracking, I just need to select my event. In this case is this one. Select my sailing class. I have a few sailing class in this event. I'll select RC, and from the races available, you need to select one. After that, you just need to click on filter, and another table will be shown to you. So you just in this particular table, you can choose up to 2 boats, and after selecting your boats you just need to click on build to generate, and obviously only tracked boats and that have a ProRegatta account will be shown in this list. That's because we can only track users. Obviously, um, you need to choose 1 or 2 in up to 2, and if the race is calculated and finished and we have placement for each skipper, there will be order on that and their placement shown right here. You just need to select, in this case I will select the first against the second and build this report. This report is useful in a way that can adjust the performance of your skippers. Obviously, the second guy that crossed the line wants to understand why he lost to the first guy. Uh, these times, the leg adjusted times and times on line or a mark, depending on the row, are generated by our tracking algorithm. So this is basically a system that will be going to each skipper's position and determine when did it cross the mark or a line, divide that by legs, and is able to compare that data to another skipper. So as you can see here, we have a start line, a gate, some marks, but we do not have a finish line set on this race. Obviously, if you want data for the finish line, you have to add that as well, but the system works with what it gets. If we don't have start line, obviously you will adjust the time from the tracking from the race initial timing until the Mark 1 and so on. If you have a finish line, that will be displayed from the last mark until the finish line and create that lags for you. You can also analyze your performance live in your activities. You just need to click on analyze and then click on your boat, and you will have a full display of these lags graphically. This is for clubs to send to their skippers so they can be in the post race looking to this and understand why they won or lost a specific regatta. So as we can see here, the system is calculating in this lag from the horn position to the start line their timings and compare them. And in this section is trying to build a lag from the horn position to the start line and determine in which timing did the skipper cross a line or a mark, and compare that as well. In this case, they are on a different timeline just because this is for test purposes, and obviously the physics right here is much greater than in a normal regatta would be, because they would launch together from the horn and from the start line, obviously. And that's it. And you need also to understand that this is computed and generated. So and we work on milliseconds. So if there is any discrepancy from each of the skipper's times and the versus column, that's because we work in milliseconds, and the subtracting one to the other is still with milliseconds, and there might be some difference because 1 milliseconds or can be subtracting to the other can not reach a whole second. This is displayed right here, as you can see. And that's it. This is a way to uh, build more performance out of your skippers and let them know what they did really good and bad and what they can try to achieve on the next race. I hope we could help you and this improve your skippers. If you have any questions or doubts, you can contact us at ProRegatta.com. Bye bye.